Okay, guys, we're here.
Hi.
We're here with Emily today, and today is National Popcorn Day. So she is going to demonstrate the Pampered Chef Pop and Stir. So first, we're going to get it all ready to make our popcorn. She's going to twist off the top. You're going to put melted butter in here when we're ready to pop, and or not melted. You just put butter in it, and then it melts. Okay, first we're going to do a half a cup of popcorn. And then she's just going to pour it in there. And then it calls for 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, and then we're going to put the lid back on. And she's going to put a scoop of, we're going to use Tastes Like Butter because it's already soft. But if you want to do this, you want to have softened stick butter. But we're going to use this. So just put a big scoop in there. That'll work. Okay, and then down here is the controllers, and you can actually make candied nuts, which may be the live on Monday. So we're going to turn it to pop, and you'll see it starts to turn, and we're going to sit here and wait for it to pop. Emily, what's your favorite kind of popcorn? What seasonings do you like on your popcorn?
I like the caramel, the caramel.
The caramel. I like caramel popcorn too. I bet we could make caramel popcorn in this. We're going to have to look into that. But today we're going to try, we've got the garlic parmesan and everything but the pizza. And we were talking about it, and we think maybe it'd be really good mixed together. So, it takes just a little bit for that oil to heat up, and then it'll start popping. And you let it pop until there's 3 seconds between the kernels, and then it's done. And as it's popping, that butter's melting and it's dripping down in there. You can hear it sizzling. It's starting to heat up. It's so good to have Emily back for a little bit. What do you guys do in cold weather? It's really, really cold today. It's like 11 degrees. And as many of you know, I do not wear long sleeve shirts. I actually have one on today.
You start to smell it. It smells good.
See that butter's starting to melt a little bit. You can see the steam coming out of it. Do you guys eat popcorn for any special occasions? When do you eat popcorn? When do you eat popcorn, Emily?
I don't know. Really just depends.
Oh, we're getting some popping.
Sometimes when we watch movies. Usually at the movie theater.
Yeah. This is pretty close to movie theater popcorn.
It smells like movie theater popcorn.
And this is really nice because you don't have kernels in this. Because they all pop. Because it's continuously stirring and moving them around. And
they won't fly up and hit you like they do in the top.
yeah. That steam's coming out of there. It's going to make the whole house smell good. It kind of makes you think of the movie theater, the sound of it.
Yeah. And the butter's melting.
You might take the spoon and kind of move that around a little bit. Help it melt.
Gone.
Yeah.
There's a lot of popcorn in there for just a half a cup.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn it off, and then she's going to keep doing that with the butter.
Just to make sure it gets in there.
Yeah. So then you take the little blue cap and you put it on there and you twist.
Till it locks.
Yeah, till it locks, and that'll keep the butter from running out. Yeah. Okay, now you can take that whole thing up, pull it up. No, not this, just the, yeah.
This?
Yeah, just that. And then turn it upside down. Okay, put it here. And then you can pull that off and stick that back over there. And there's your bowl of popcorn. You don't even have to put it in another bowl. We're going to put it in a little bowl and put our seasoning on it because we have some people who don't like seasoning. Here, you can put your some in there and we'll... It's good and fresh. Okay.
Make sure we get enough. Okay, that's
Okay.
good for now.
Okay. Which, you want both seasonings?
Sure.
Okay. She's going to mix them. So... Okay, and she'll have to taste it and tell us what it tastes like.
It's really good.
Is it the best popcorn you've ever had?
Maybe.
Okay, well, you guys have a good day, and we hope you enjoy National Popcorn Day, and we'll see you next time.